Okay, in this video we're going to talk about how to conditionally format cells based on what is within them. So for the example that I'm going to use today, we are looking at a set of students, and some of them are a part of families and some of them are not. So the ones that are a part of a family will have a duplicate family ID, and we want to highlight those so that we can easily see who is part of a family and who is not. So how you do that is you highlight the entire row by just clicking when the B turns green or is highlighted, and then you'll click it and it'll highlight everything. Under the Home tab, you'll go to Conditionally Format or Conditional Formatting. Click it, and then you'll go to New Rule. A pop-up window pops up so that you can tell it what you want to highlight. So essentially, for this one, we're going to want to only highlight duplicate values. So we're going to go down to here. Make sure that it says Format All Duplicates, and then right here is where you can tell it what you want it to do. So we're going to click Format, and I'm just going to choose Fill up at the top. I think it naturally goes here, but you'll click Fill. Click the highlight color, which I want to highlight it gray. Click OK, OK, and now they're highlighted. I apologize for my baby crying. I hope this is helpful, guys. Thanks.